It looks like scuba instructor Dennis Maurer is gearing up for a dive, but this is rehab for the 60-year-old who recently had 2 heart surgeries.
There was about 80% blockage in one of the arteries.
Instead of standard rehab, Dennis chose Industrial Athlete, a rigorous program designed to help heart patients get back to their physically demanding jobs.
Basically, we're trying to model the exercise prescription to as close to, say, real life as possible.
They carry hoses upstairs, swing sledgehammers, shovel rocks, and even practice hitting dummies.
I want to say it's about 35 pounds.
Firefighters, police officers, farmers, and auto workers regain the strength they need by doing activities they do in their jobs.
We believe that we need to see them at the level that they're going to perform at their job or their sport.
A recent study found attending rehabilitation is associated with a 46% lower risk of death. But a recent study found only 14% of heart attack patients use rehab. Researcher Jenny Adams says one of the problems is traditional rehab isn't personalized.
We have a 90-year-old woman in here. In the old days, we would give her the same prescription as we would give a 40-year-old firefighter. And we just want to stop that.
Here, every patient gets a different workout.
After 3 months of working out on the rehab and after the surgery, I can work on the treadmill, I can go up ladders, I can carry weights.
I'm Marty Salt reporting.